Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to find the landmark of richest treasure on the Red Dead Redemption 2 game. So let's get started right away. Now for this treasure you will need to find 4 different maps. The first piece can be found northwest of Lake Owanjila near Strawberry on this particular spot. Once you go to this location, you will find an obelisk, and when you go close, you can search and find the first piece. The picture will then point towards a church which is in a location called Lake. It is located on this square north of Saint Denis. Once you reach here, just climb to the roof of the church and then search near the bell. You will find the second piece that will point you to the mysterious hill home. This one is located north of Bacchus Station underneath the Eye of Amberino. Once you go to this location, just search within the lower window and you will find the next piece of the map. Now in order to find the final piece, set your location south of Rhodes near this area called Boulder Glade. Once you reach this place, you will find this tree on top of this hill. Just search within the tree and you will find the final piece. Now the treasure can finally be collected at the top of Mount Shad. Just mark your location on this spot, and when you reach this place, just walk towards the sundial, and as you go towards the yellow arrow, you will find the option to overturn the stone. Once you do, you will finally retrieve the landmark of richest treasure consisting of 6 gold bars. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find the landmark of richest treasure on Red Dead Redemption 2. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.